I've been using the GF 15% serum for a week now, and I'm blown away by the noticeable improvements in my skin. As someone in my mid-30s, I've started to notice fine lines, uneven texture, and loss of firmness. But this serum has been a total game changer. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for my combination skin. I've noticed a significant reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, and my skin looks more radiant and plump. The texture has also improved, feeling smoother and more even. I'm impressed by the science behind this serum. The 15% solution of plant-based biomimetic EGF, TGF, and IGF peptides works to signal the skin's natural repair mechanisms, which decline with age. It's amazing to see the impact of these growth factors on my skin. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the GF 15% serum. It's a powerful tool in my skincare arsenal, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to address signs of aging and improve their skin's overall health and appearance. If you're concerned about fine lines, wrinkles, uneven texture, or loss of firmness and elasticity, give this serum a try. Be patient, as it may take some time to see the full effects. Also, be sure to follow a consistent skincare routine and use sunscreen daily to protect your skin,